rollover. So here you can see my code. I have document.ready. In jQuery, we always start with that just to show that our document has already loaded, waits till everything has loaded. And then when the page is ready, when the DOM is ready, then you can start. So here I have my image, and mouse. Okay, well first let's go to the HTML, the part we're familiar with. Image source is equal to, and I have my image in my image folder. I have the open. I put the open. It's actually a plus sign, and close is a minus sign. So I have those two images in my images directory. So now I did image mouse over. So let me line it up nicer. So when your mouse is over the image tag, the image, so when your mouse, you can notice you can, in jQuery, you can do IDs like this, you can do classes like this, or the tag itself, and this is actually the tag itself. So when your mouse is over the image, what do I want to do? Well, this attr, the attribute function, takes in the parameter, and the parameter that it takes in, the argument, is the attribute that you want to modify. And in this case, my attribute is the src, the first source. And I want to modify it. I want to use, when the mouse is over it, I want to use the close.png. So then it will actually modify and the tag so that now source becomes images close.png. And then if so again in jQuery, the dollar sign is always just saying we're using jQuery, and then image, you could put in a class, an ID, I put in the tag directly. So here, if you're in the image and you mouse out of the image, if you mouse out, then um, this, again, what is this? This is the element itself that you're on. We want to set attribute. It means we're changing an attribute. Which attribute? Source, the src. We're changing the source to be now images open PNG, which is open.png is the one that is started with the plus sign. So the plus sign is the default. And when we mouse over it, we're going to change it to close. And when we mouse out, we're going to change it to open. So we have these mouse over, these mouse out. We have a lot of, this is called an anonymous function. What is the anonymous function? It takes in as a parameter an anonymous function, and it means when someone is over your mouse or the out from the mouse, this is the function that we want to do. So when someone is over, has been over the image, this is what we want to do. What do we want to do? We want to modify the attribute source to images close PNG. So now let's see it happen. I'm going to go to the other side of the screen where I'm at plus sign. You can see my mouse is over, it's a minus, and now it's out, it's a plus. Over, it's a minus, out, it's a plus. And look, image rollover, isn't that nice? So with JavaScript, jQuery, it really is more interactive with the user than what we had before.